I've been seeing a lot of comments like this and sa totoo lang na-appreciate ko yung mga ganitong comments. I'm new to freezing food so basically I need all the brains that I can get and nagpapasalamat ako kasi may mga ganitong tao na nagko-comment at nagre-remind sa akin. Nasa learning process pa ako and I believe marami pa akong matututunan along the way. I've seen many people doing this and na-inspire akong simulan siya hindi lang para makatipid sa pera kundi lalong-lalo na para makatipid sa oras. Cause let's be real, adulthood takes a lot from us. I'll make sure to take extra care sa mga silicone containers ko para safe pa rin ang pag-freeze ng food at hindi talaga sila magkaroon ng molds. Again, thank you so much sa lahat ng reminders nyo, lalong-lalo na bago lang ako sa pag-freeze ng food. Sobrang appreciated po lahat. Thank you. Please follow along as I continue my freezer journey.